as the world's largest railway transportation equipment provider and transportation solution supplier, we know we not only produce our product, and it's like our kids, we should be responsible for their whole life. So after deliver the DMU, 10 years later, we know it should undergo a mini overhaul. So we are coming to check our DMU if it works well. And also we know from Ghana Railway that the DMU stopped work. One stopped work 2 years ago, the other one stopped about 6 months ago.
This DMU was manufactured in 2008. So we deliver it, and this DMU operation here almost 11 years. So according to the Chinese railway regulation, we shall check and to confirm everything is good or no good. And I think the schedule, we update this 2 DMU, maybe take 2 or 2.5 months. We will accelerate everything to this DMU, because I know your Ghana Railway Company or your Ghana people need this DMU to run again. It's very, very quickly.